Hi! Welcome to another Cara & Co tutorial. In this video, we're teaching you how to craft your own custom phone lanyard featuring our beautiful Heishi and acrylic beads. All of the written instructions can be found on our website as well as all the supplies needed. Let's get crafting! To make your own phone lanyard, you will need one strand of Heishi beads, or multiple if you want to mix colors. Keep in mind that one strand can make one phone lanyard with a few beads to spare. Accent beads if desired, 35-inch 0.8 nylon cording, beading needle, a ruler, scissors, lighter, and then last, pliers. To get started, take your lighter and lightly fuse the ends of your cording. Fold your cording in half and tie an overhand knot about 2.5 inches down from the fold. Thread both ends of the cord onto your beading needle and place on your desired focal beads. Separate your cords. Using a beading needle, thread on your Heishi beads and accent beads until you have about 5 inches worth of beads on each strand. If you've purchased a DIY kit, make sure you refer to the picture on the website for your bead order. Tie a tight double knot. Thread both ends onto your needle and slide your needle into about 1/2 inch of the Heishi beads on one side of the knot. Pull your knot into the beads, trim the ends, and lightly fuse to prevent any fraying. Be careful when fusing. The nylon cording melts really quick. It's as easy as that. Customize your own phone lanyard by switching up your colors or beads. The sky's the limit. If you're not sure what beads to pick, don't worry, we've got you totally covered. Head on over to our website to choose your own beautifully designed DIY kit with all the supplies you need to get started. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Hit that subscribe button as well to see more videos like this from Cara & Co. Head to our YouTube page to find more tutorials, ideas, and how-to videos to keep you inspired. Happy crafting!